Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Mahmoud. Today we are gonna talk about the cell, the building unit of the living organisms. Firstly, I wanna ask you a question. What is the building unit of this building? The building unit of this building is called brick. Joining bricks together, forming a wall with another, forming a room with another, forming a floor above another, forming the whole building. So the smallest building unit of this building is called brick. By the same idea, the body of the living organisms consists of a group of systems. Each system consists of a group of organs. Each organ consists of similar or different tissues. Each tissue consists of symmetric units called cells. So the building unit of the living organism body is called cell. The human body consists of a group of systems which work together to keep the life of the human, as digestive system and respiratory system. Each system consists of a group of organs, as stomach and liver. Each organ consists of a group of similar or different tissues, as the tissues that build up the muscles and the tissues that build up the stomach. I want you to notice the difference between the tissue that builds up the stomach from inside and the tissue that builds up the stomach from outside. Each tissue consists of a group of symmetric units called cells. So the building unit of the human body is the same as that of animal body, which is called the animal cell. The plant body also consists of a group of systems, as shoot system, which exists above the ground, and root system, which exists under the ground. Each system in the plant also consists of a group of organs, as leaves, flowers, fruits, and roots. Each organ consists of a group of similar or different tissues. This is a section in a leaf that shows the tissue which builds up the leaf. As you can see, this tissue consists of small units called cells. So the building unit of the plant body is called the plant cell. Then we can define the cell as the building unit of the living organism body, or it is the unit of structure and function in the living organisms. But what do we mean by saying unit of structure and function? Structure means that the cell is the building unit. Function means that the cell which builds up the tissues, these tissues which build up the organs, these organs do functions. There are many different living organisms around us. Some of them can be seen by our naked eyes, but others cannot be seen by our naked eyes. The living organisms can be classified into two types, according to the number of cells inside their bodies, into multicellular living organisms and unicellular living organisms. Multicellular living organisms, they have more than one cell, as human, animals, and plants, while unicellular living organisms, they have one cell, as bacteria and yeast, fungus. The unicellular living organisms, they are integrated living organisms because they have the ability to do all biological functions. They cannot be seen by our naked eyes, but we can see them under microscope. The microscope, it is a device used to magnify things hundreds of times than their original size. Examples of unicellular living organisms, bacteria, and yeast fungus. The yeast fungus, It is a unicellular microorganism. It is built up of cell wall, cytoplasm, nucleus, and vacuole. The economic importance of yeast fungus. It is used in making bread, where yeast produces carbon dioxide gas that causes the swelling of the bread and making it porous and light. Also, it is used in making alcohol, where yeast changes sugar solution into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Thank you for your listening and goodbye.